The youngest tall ship at the Maritime Museum of San Diego is the Topsail Schooner, Californian, a replica of Revenue Cutter, a historic law enforcement vessel from California Gold Rush times. Designated the official tall ship of California, the Californian regularly offers adventure sail opportunities. Type: Topsail Schooner. Year built: 1984. Design year/period: replica of the 1847 Revenue Cutter C.W. Lawrence. Where built: Spanish Landing, San Diego, California. Length: LOA, 145. Number of masts: 2. Mast height: number of sails: 9. Sail area: 7,000 square feet. Notable: Californian was launched at the 1984 Summer Olympics in Los Angeles, California. Maritime Museum of San Diego. 1492 North Harbor Drive, San Diego, California 92101. www.stmaritime.org. Review of the Maritime Museum of San Diego.